the waterfall on this road, winding road. It is about 8 a.m. on Wednesday, the day before my ayahuasca trip. Now we're on this dirt road. I think I got lost going to this parking lot. It's pretty far away. I had to go up the mountain and stuff. So it says it's this way, so we're gonna find out here shortly. So I got out of that entrapment right there. I decided to go back where I came from to the main road to go up the normal way because this is not a four-wheel drive vehicle, so I don't want to make it. But check out that view. Well, you can't really see it, but going back down the main road to go back the normal way to the waterfall, Nyaka waterfall. So we don't want to get trapped and stranded and have to walk 2 miles or 3 miles to get my car stuck and all that stuff in the middle of the day. So we're going back down. I'm gonna go up to the waterfall. I found this little road. Looks pretty cool. A cool little area. Got a big bamboo growth right here. Pretty cool. A little tent. I don't think someone's camping out, but I'm in the jungle. Doing a little four-wheeling here, even though this is not a four-wheel drive vehicle. Made it to Nyaka waterfall, so we're gonna check that out and let you know what happens. Here's my rental car. Okay, just got my ticket. It is $14 to go to the waterfall and park near the waterfall. So this is just the office right here, Nyaka waterfall office, and then you got to buy a ticket and then go park your car up the road. So that's what we're gonna do, and then check out the waterfall. Finally made it down to the entrance of the waterfall. We got little tours with horses and stuff. Cool. So we're gonna do a little hike. Feel like Tarzan over here. Pretty cool little river to the waterfall. Gonna cross this little bridge and then go up to the waterfall. Guess we're almost there. Walking up this dirt road. Alright, I made it to the waterfall. Looks like it's just down there. Tough hike, but we'll go check it out now. Go down this little bridge thing, and you can hear the waterfall for sure. Check it out. Deep in the jungle, it's really hot. Sweating pretty bad. Alright, almost to the waterfall. It's quite a hike. Got my shoe all muddy. Definitely right here. You can hear it. Nyaka waterfall. went swimming and jumped off that little cliff right there in the middle of the waterfall. It's tough to get up there. I cut my hand. No big deal. We're not bleeding too bad. But yeah, pretty cool. Refreshing water. Pretty powerful. Alright guys, that concludes today's video of Nyaka Waterfalls in Costa Rica. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thanks guys.